just gotta go faster than the speed of light, far beyond the speed of light. You gotta break the rule, Barry, and you gotta do it now. Dad.
What? Wait, what happened? I was about to save it, but then who came in? You idiot! Bro, the ball is like 100 miles. You're such an idiot!